welcome to Crypto Coders. In this video, we will be taking a look at Polkadot on higher time frames. I will give you my all-time high targets for Polkadot, and we will also look at the short-term price action to see if the bottom for Polkadot is in or not. So let's dive in. According to my Elliot wave count, this was our wave 1, and then we had our second wave. This is an expanded flat correction. Let me show you how that works. Wave 1, and this was our wave 2, and then we will go up for wave 3, 4 and 5. So let me show you how this wave 2 works. In our wave 2 we have our A wave, B wave and C wave. You might be wondering how this B wave went above the start of wave A. So this is an expanded flat correction in which we have our A wave, then our B wave goes above the origin of wave A, and then our C wave goes below the end of wave A. So here you can see this was our wave A like this, and then our wave B went above the origin of wave A, and then our wave C goes below the end of wave A. So that completes our expanded flat correction. So this is the most suitable count according to my analysis. And then we'll go for wave 3, which is supposed to be the most impulsive one, and then a retracement for wave 4, and then again break the wave 3 high and go for wave 5. So let me give you my targets for our wave 3. So the way to calculate our targets for wave 3 are, we go to the start of wave 1 and to the high of wave 1 and then to the low of wave 2. Right now we are considering this as the bottom, as the low of wave 2, somewhere around here. So the target for our wave 3 is 161.8% fib level, which is the ideal target, or at least the minimum target for a wave 3. Wave 3 can extend up to 261.8% fib level at around $128.7. These targets are not fixed, they can vary a little, but the most likely target is the 161.8, or it is the minimum target for wave 3. So this gives Polkadot a whopping, I guess, at least a 15x from the bottom. So huge upside for Polkadot. Now let's dive into the lower time frame and see whether the bottom for Polkadot is in or not. So this is our structure that we have. It is not a very high confidence structure because it didn't go as impulsively as we would like. This part was impulsive, then this was some sort of a diagonal expanding, rising, broadening wedge of some sort, and we see it is a bearish pattern, and we see that it broke towards the downside and it is retesting it from below. So I guess you could even open a short position, no financial advice. We can see the retracement from swing low to swing high, and if you open a short position here, place a tight stop loss because this to reduce any sort of huge losses, and you can target this $5.34 level at 61.8% fib level. It is almost a 15% profit without leverage. And this could also work out well, considering that we are looking for further downside on Bitcoin. Now, as far as the bottom for Polkadot, I don't believe that the bottom for Polkadot is in, because it didn't even break any of these swing highs that we have as resistances. So if we do start to break above these highs, it will increase the probability that the bottom of Polkadot is in. But right now, I see no real evidence that the bottom of Polkadot is in, and it didn't even go as impulsively or as high as these other coins did, like Solana or Matic, Avalanche, and also Near. So I think that if Bitcoin drops further 20 to 25% more, Polkadot might make another low. So that was our update for today. Thank you for joining. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.